This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively from YouTube Full Guide. Start by picking a focused playlist and set one clear goal per session. Use 25 to 50-minute study blocks and take regular short breaks. Pause videos to take concise notes and summarize concepts in your own words. Practice active recall by testing yourself after each video. Repeat hard topics and track progress to stay motivated and efficient. When watching YouTube, treat videos like interactive lectures rather than passive entertainment. Pause often to jot brief summaries and ask yourself questions. Adjust playback speed to match your comprehension and rewatch tricky segments. Use the Feynman technique to explain ideas aloud and identify gaps quickly. Try solving a related practice problem within 5 to 10 minutes after viewing to cement understanding. Consistent active watching beats passive binging every time. Quick request: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for study day lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals. It keeps snacks tidy so you can focus on learning without spills. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Build a simple note system that supports review and retrieval. Use headings for topics, timestamps for video moments, and short bullet summaries for key ideas. Keep one central digital file for consolidated summaries and a small notebook for quick sketches and formulas. Tag action items such as practice problems, deadlines, or project steps so you always know the next move. Regularly review notes, using spaced intervals to move knowledge into long-term memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.